Welcome to this video. Really great to have you here. In this video I'm going to show you a really cool way of making money with AI. This is one of the easiest income streams that you can start, and you can pretty much do it all with AI. I'm going to show you exactly what to do, and the reason this works is it's probably an income stream that you've seen before, but most people get this wrong. And the reason they get it wrong is because they don't think about who they're targeting, or they have so much competition when they start that they're just never ever going to get the views that they need to make sales. So I'm going to show you something very specific that you can do here. I'm going to give you a step-by-step example, and I've also got another resource for you as well. So before we get started, if you're interested in creating income streams with AI, do give us a thumbs up, do subscribe, and make sure you pick up your 100 AI prompts in the description. They're totally free. They're 100 AI prompts of everything that you need to be able to do with AI if you want to generate an income online. These are some tasks that used to take hours to do. Now you can do it in minutes with AI. So check them out. They're totally free. They're for you in the description. Okay, so let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money with AI and do it really, really easily. Check this out. The first thing I need for you is a product to promote. So one of the easiest ways for the purposes of this video is just to pick a product from ClickBank. And what I did was I typed in top ClickBank products, and I found a blog post, a recent blog post from September the 26th last year, of the top 10 ClickBank products that are selling well. So we know that they're selling, and here we go. This was the product: Eat Stop Eat, intermittent fasting. That's what the product's about, and there it is. We know that that's selling on ClickBank. Okay, so if we're going to promote this, and make money, what's the easiest way of doing it? And this is where people run into problems, because what they do, they might grab their affiliate link and start pasting it all around the web, and then get tired out and think it's not working and give up. I'm going to show you something really cool in this video that will mean that you can make sales really easily. Check this out. What you want to do with your product is, as I've put here to AI, I want you to go through this page, and then I've actually pasted the sales page, and I've put read the page and then give me the exact people to target on social media and the areas to focus on. I then want you to give me 5 YouTube video ideas to target them, and 5 social media posts with themes. Okay, and it's gone through and it's read the entire sales page for me, and it's told me, okay, this product's about intermittent fasting that involves 2 non-consecutive 24-hour fasts per week. Target audiences: weight loss solutions, health and fitness, busy professionals, intermittent fasting community, and so on. And it's given me all of the information there, and then it's also given me some YouTube video ideas, which is great, and some social media post themes. So that's a good start. Now I know what the product's about and who to target, but you can take this further, and this is the key thing that you want to do. Once it gives you that information, now I can say, give me the people to target that would need a solution like this, but with no competition, and explain how to target them. So now we're doing something different. Instead of just going for what everyone else is, before going for what everyone else is doing, now we're actually saying, okay, give me the target groups that I can target without any competition. And it's got remote workers, how to target. Remote workers often struggle with irregular eating patterns, frequent travelers or digital nomads, postpartum mothers looking to lose the baby weight, middle-aged men focused on health and longevity, gamers and streamers. Okay, how to target with minimal competition, craft specific messaging. Okay, leverage influences in niche communities. So it's given me methods, but the key thing is here is what you can then do is take these, okay, and build. So if I go like this and paste this in here, give me a social media plan to target this niche on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter, and give me the content ideas. So now what AI will do is actually go out, and I've picked one of those groupings to target, and now it's going out and giving me the actual strategy. The other thing that you can do as well is check out my previous video where I showed you how to get all the social media content that you need. So you could definitely use this strategy with that social media content video. But just a really quick overview, it's given the YouTube strategy, it's given the Facebook strategy, it's given the Twitter strategy, and that means that you can go and grab that product, start promoting to middle-aged men in this case that are looking for weight loss solutions. And the other key thing that I want you to get is you want to make sure not only are you talking to that one person, that one grouping, but you want to focus on solving their problems. Okay, so you don't want to just promote the guide and say, there you go, there's a guide that can solve your problems. You actually want to give them some help beforehand, so they're actually getting real help and they feel that you're helping them, and you actually, you know, you're actually helping them, rather than, and that's how you escape the rat race of just grabbing an affiliate link and getting lost in a sea of people. You're actually grabbing an affiliate link, helping people, planning your social media to one group, and then promoting your content to that one group. Now, for more information about how to create that content, check out the video that I did yesterday, and it will help you with your social media content. But the main thing I want you to get from this video: pick a product, pick one of the best selling. Don't go for one that's don't try to go for a low competition one. Rather go for one that's selling and find an angle in to promote it and speak to that group. That way you'll stand out on social media, you'll be helping a specific group, they're far more likely to buy, and you've got a great income stream. So use this video in conjunction with the one yesterday. Do subscribe, do give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this and if you got something from it. And remember to grab your AI prompts in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.